This is our second day here in Baguio City. We made it alive last night. Na inabot kami ng siyam-siyam sa paghihintay ng bus. It was a 7-hour drive to Baguio. No, it wasn't a 7-hour drive.
7-hour wait.
Inabot ng 7 hours total from waiting to driving to Baguio. So this is our second day, and now we're gonna go back to Burnham Park. So we are just walking to the park. So the place where we are staying, it's close by. So ngayon alay lakad kami. Yan. So magbo-boating down, magba-bike ulit. So last night we experienced a little bit of the nightlife here in Baguio. There was a night market bazaar na puro mga ukay-ukay, but my kids didn't allow me to buy any.
Kaya tayo makakaano no, makakita.
Wala.
9 na kasi.
Oo. Ayan. Lakad-lakad. So hopefully kayanin ng ating bewang to dahil grabe na yung nilakad namin kagabi. Oh, hey! What's up, dude? Okay, look. So this is the place where I studied when I was in college. So I lived here for 4 years. I was only 16 years old.
Let's go catch the jeepney.
I know! Yan yung isang pangarap ko, sumakay ng jeep dun sa may dulo niya. Na nakabitin lang, oo, na habang tumatakbo.